How to turn off Gemini AI in Google app. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can turn off Gemini AI in Google app. So let's dive in. So first you have to open your Google app, and once you're on your Google app you'll see an interface like this. Now if you click these three horizontal lines on the bottom right corner, you'll be able to see this Gemini over here. So go back to your home page by clicking this home icon on the bottom left corner, and then you have to click your profile icon on the top right corner, and then it's going to give you this drop down menu. On this drop down menu you have to find the settings option and click this option. And once you click this settings option, it's going to bring you to this interface, and here you have to choose this other settings option in this all list. Choose other settings by clicking it, and then it's going to bring you to this page. On this page you can see this option show Gemini. It's going to add a switch on the top of your app home screen so that you can use Gemini AI in this app. You simply have to toggle it off by clicking this blue button. Just click it, and here you go, you have turned it off. And that's how you do it. Now if you go back and refresh your app and open the app again and click these three horizontal lines, you can see the Gemini AI is now turned off for the Google app.